In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to withdraw an email on Outlook website. So first of all, of course, all you need to do, just go and open the browser that you're going to use to follow the tutorial steps with. So of course, here in my case, I'm actually using Brave. So of course, in your case, you can use any other browser. Could be possibly working for you. It could be like Google, Opera, Microsoft Edge, even Internet Explorer if it's working for you, Brave like me, Firefox, whatever working for you, this will be great. Just go and open it and then go to the URL section and type outlook.live.com and hit the enter button. That will take you into this page. But that's if you are just logged in into your account. Of course, if you are not logged in into your account or you don't even have an account, you'll not find this page. You'll find another page. From the page that you are in, at the top right corner, you'll find the sign in option. If you click on it, you'll be able to log in into your account. But if you don't have an account, you'll find at the middle part an option, or at the middle bottom part of your screen an option which is create a free account. Now click on it and follow the instruction of creating your account. Once you are done, you will find yourself here when you're logged in into that account. And as we said in the beginning of the video, we would like to withdraw an email on the Outlook website. So of course, if you want to do that, you would like to, if when you're on this page, just go and click at send items. So of course, now you will need just to select or double click the image or the message so it opens it in another window. So for me, let me just like double click it. Oh, you don't see that window, so let me just go and show you that window. Here is it. So of course, from here you would like to select the file info. Of course, if you are not interested, open it a new window, just go and like remove it. Let me just go back here. So of course it will just appear here at the right if you click on it. And of course now we would like to go to select the file and go to info. So once you click there, once you click there, you will be able to find all of these options. Of course, you can reply all, forward, delete, do whatever you want. But for us, what we are interested on is just to go and click at forward here. So click on it and forward it to whatever you want or whoever you want. Of course, it could be a friend. When you finish, just hit the send button and you will be actually good to go. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.